If you're currently looking for homes in the Greater Toronto Area and surrounding areas, I'm going to break down how matchtheagent.com will save you 5 hours a week searching for new homes. But it will also give you data that only realtors have, and that's what makes this such a powerful tool. You can even schedule showings, request more information, get property valuations, and so much more. So stay tuned, you're not going to want to miss this. What is up, beautiful people? My name is Matt Moore, your local millennial realtor here in the Greater Toronto Area. Consider subscribing to the channel if this is your first time here. We do put out videos every single week to help users out just like you. Now, I'm not going to waste any of your time here. Let's jump right into the computer screen. The first thing we're going to do is head over to matchtheagent.com. That's matchtheagent.com. And that's how you spell it. Once you enter the website, this is exactly what you're going to see. And this is going to be your best friend. You're going to head over to the advanced search tab. And in here is where you're going to get very specific as to what you're looking for. In this section, you can either choose to look for a home to purchase, or if you're in the rental market, you can go ahead and click on search rental, completely up to what you're looking for. Now let's go back to the advanced search tab, and this is where you would look to buy a home. You have the option of choosing a home, a condo, a multi-residential, a townhouse, or even land. So depending on what you're looking for, this is where you'll make some adjustments. In addition to that, you have the price point that you're looking for. You have how many bedrooms, bathrooms, square feet, minimum lot size, year built, and so on and so forth. If you want to do a map search, you totally can. You hit the map search, and from here, you can kind of sift through some of the properties that you're looking for. However, let's go back to refining our search. If for any reason whatsoever you need some help, I do have an agent on call, or it can even be myself. You can hit this little chat box, put in your name, and let me know exactly what you're looking for, and I will communicate with you there. Otherwise, let's look for a $1 million home in Toronto. So we are going to select Toronto to begin with. It'll highlight all the neighborhoods, but we're gonna go $1 million to $1.5 million. We're gonna make it a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, and nothing else in specific. We'll just go with that. We're going for a condo. So we're gonna uncheck all the other boxes and hit search. So this is what pops up. Naturally, it'll sort it by highest price, but you can change that here and put maybe the newest ones that show up. And here you go. Here are the condos that are currently on the market. Some of them are so new that the images haven't yet populated the system. So you'd have to wait just a little bit before you start to get access to some of those pictures. However, let's use this as an example. So this free access may pop up. Go ahead and complete your information and sign in. So just like that, your information is complete. Go ahead and continue the photos. Thank you for signing up. Perfect, we're good to go. So this is where you can take a look at all of the photos of the property that you're interested in. It'll give you a bunch of information right here. Property description, and a bit more information down below. At this point, you have a few options. If this is something that you like, you can go ahead and add it to your favorites, right? And that'll save so that you have a list of properties that you actually like, properties that you may be interested in. If you wanted to request more information, click the button, request more information, right? You're interested in so-and-so, complete all the information there and hit continue. Otherwise, if you want to schedule a showing, you can do that as well. Go ahead and click on that and pick a date that works for you, schedule a tour, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. But those are the options that you have available to you on the website. Now, one thing to note is the more properties you do like, the more accurate my system is going to be in sending you similar properties. So if we head back to the results, we go back to where we were and we look at another unit. Here it is, more photos. This is a pre-construction as to why there's no pictures of it. But let's say you like it, go ahead and add it to your favorites. Boom, just like that. Now, one super cool feature is the Save Search feature. If we head over to your icon here, this little icon at the top right corner, you click on that, you can go to the favorited properties that you have, and here's where you have a list of properties that you like. If you want to remove it, you can go ahead and click remove. If you want to request more info, go ahead and click on that button as well. You can hover over to the Save Search tab, and this is what you currently have set, right? You can change this by clicking Edit, and it'll actually change what you are looking for. So you can change it to, let's say, just condos. You want to be sent just condos between the price of $750,000 to $1 million with a minimum of 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Hit Save Changes. And boom, there you have it. You've changed your search and it gives you a summary right there. In addition to that, if you want to get market reports to stay up to date as to what's going on in a particular area, go ahead and hit the Market Reports button. And you can say, I want to get market reports of everything that happens in Toronto's, let's say, Long Branch neighborhood. Go over to L, Long Branch, very nice neighborhood. I want to be up to date with, let's say, just the homes in the neighborhood. I can go ahead and get information on properties that have sold within the last 3 months. Go to Market Report, and boom, there you go. Here's some information for you on properties that are listed on the market, and you can save the market report and get monthly updates from here. So if you click on that, call it whatever you want. I called it Market Report Long Branch. You want to get it bi-weekly, weekly, never, or monthly. Save preferences, and there you go. We'll get you monthly reports every single month about this particular neighborhood. And lastly, if you want to know how much your house is worth, go over to the home section, scroll down, and get property valuation. Here, it'll prompt you to punch in your address. Go ahead and type that in, submit, and I'll get you a home valuation right away. I hope you got some value out of that video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel. I put out videos just like this each and every single week. Again, my name is Matt Moy. If you do need any additional guidance whatsoever, my contact information is down below. I hope this video helps you out in your journey, and I will see you in the next one. I hope you got some value out of that video. If you did, then go ahead and check out this video here or here. I'm not quite sure where it's going to be on the screen, but one of these videos, go ahead and check it out.